Hi guys, welcome back to our Filipino trip, and for today we're on our second edition of Filipino cooking trip, and for today I'm just gonna teach you how to do this simple, healthy, and very easy cucumber salad. So please do stand by for this. So this is what we're gonna be needing. Obviously cucumber. I have this chopped onions, lemon. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this red chili for the spiciness, and for the liquids we have this fish sauce. I'm gonna be using sesame oil, this natural cane vinegar, which is good for salads and dressing, and of course honey for a little bit of sweetness. So here's our cucumber now, our shredded cucumber. So we're just gonna do the onions on it. So what we're gonna do next is to mix all the liquid ingredients that we have as a dressing. So first we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Then we're gonna add the sesame oil for the aroma. Okay. Tablespoon of honey, then we're gonna add the lemon juice right there. I'm gonna mix it right here. What we're gonna do is this chili. So here's our cucumber salad. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like, and please to subscribe to my channel, Filipino Trip.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.